This is Brody, and I'm Blake. We're parkouring on this new course we invented here. We've been beasting all over this neighborhood with parkouring. Now we're ready to conquer this course. Let's see. First, you have to grind, otherwise known as like edge your way across this, all the way over here. You have to jump down, past this rock over here. Get over here, you're not good. You fall off, you're not good. Then after you get past the rock, you gotta come over here, jump behind this hose. Hopefully they can do it. See what happens. Past the rock. Makes a 180. He conquered it. Oh, my turn. We're having some technical difficulties. We'll be right back. Ow! You okay? Want to go again?
No, oh!
I'll go again.
Right here. Right here.
Right there. Don't go a little too far, huh? Here, I'll move the rock up.
Oh!
Show
We're
me.
back! Back, man!
No, I'm doing it.
Shoot!